welcome to the Lifesum kitchen and the sheet pan series.
And today we are going to make the second recipe of this series, which is a curried tofu with vegetables.
And my name is Signe and I'm the head nutritionist here at Lifesum, and with me I have...
My name is Julia and I'm the head chef here at Lifesum. So let's get started! Let's start with the tofu. So I'm going to turn it up, cut it in the middle. We're going to get some liquid out of this tofu just because we want it to be crunchier after we bake it in the oven. So I'm going to place a kitchen towel on top and just use my weight and press out the liquid. You can use paper towels as well. If you have time, you can actually put a towel on top and something heavy, and then you can do something else for 15 minutes. And like that, it's done. So now we're just gonna crumble the tofu. And now we're just gonna add the tofu onto the sheet pan.
And then we're gonna do the green beans here. Now we have fresh ones, and you can of course use frozen ones too. But these fresh ones, we need to remove this little thing here because that's not tasty, so you see. So we're just gonna take them and cut away those pieces. And then we're just gonna take these green beans and add them to the pan as well. So now we're just gonna cut the carrots in pieces, slice the onion in slices, and then the cauliflower in pieces as well.
If you're buying a fresh cauliflower and not frozen, you would always have the stem here, and this actually takes a little bit longer to cook, but don't throw it out because it's super good to use like if you do a book or a soup. It's magic. So make sure to slice it up, keep it in the freezer or the refrigerator, and then you can use it whenever you have time to cook something different. So now I'm just gonna add the cauliflower on top of the green beans.
And now we're adding the carrots to the sheet pan as well.
And we're also adding, of course, the onions.
And I mean, this recipe can vary endlessly. Take whatever vegetables you have at home and just like mix and match.
And now, of course, we have to season it. We're gonna spice it up with some curry and garlic powder, and then olive oil on top with some salt, of course. I prefer not to mix the tofu with the rest of the vegetables because I think it looks nicer if they're separate. So, but make sure to toss the spices around, but do it separately. And now we'll just pop it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes.
Wow, look at that. So many colors. It looks so nice.
Yeah, it smells delicious. You can really feel like the curry and the onions and the carrots.
So now we're just gonna top this up with some spinach and some roasted cashew nuts.
I think it's really nice when you add nuts to these kind of foods because it gives you the extra texture that you need, like the little crunchiness there. And also the salad is like fresh, it's sliced, and makes the whole thing a little like homier. But you can also add sunflower seed, pumpkin seed. If you're allergic to nuts or cashews, use peanuts. You can like pick the nut that you prefer. Yeah. Walnuts, almonds, you know, all that kind. Just add something crunchy, and a Signe said something with fat in it, which is perfect when you do a plant-based option.
Thank you so much for watching this sheet pan series with us at Lifesum. And if you want to check out more recipes, go to the Lifesum app. It's filled with so many good, nutritious and delicious recipes.
Until then, see you next time.